Oh, hi. Hello, everyone. It's me, Vivas. I'm from International Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. I'm third year student in food and beverage major. On this day, 24th February, I'm very much excited and thrilled to let you know and celebrate together World Bartender Day. On this day, today, I'm basically gonna speak about how we can boost our education and knowledge in bartending. First, we can work under the supervision of an experienced bartender. We can do a kind of OJT and interns. Second, we can attend bartending events. It is very much crucial because while attending bartending events, we came across top-notch bartender across the globe. And third, we can learn it from books and internet. Now let's see what my friend has to say on this day. Let's go.
Happy World Bartenders Day. So right now I'm headed to a pub to have my favorite cocktail, daiquiri.
Okay. What's so special about it?
So daiquiri is one of the basic cocktails and its main ingredients are rum, sugar and citrus juice. It is prepared like we all pour it into a shaker with some ice cubes and it serves straight up. Let me tell you something about the history. It actually was invented or most supposedly created by an American mining engineer, Jennings Cox. So would you like me to join for a drink?
Sure. So I would like to have the Bloody Mary. I like it very much.
So what's so special about it?
Yeah, because that has a very tangy flavor in it with the vodka. So everyone likes vodka, right? So like it's the classic shaken cocktail that everyone likes, right? So I believe you do like it.
Sure. So let's go to the bar and get some tipsy.
Yeah, let's do it.
Guys, so you know that today's world's famous bartenders day?
Of course.
Yes.
So
Very famous day.
it was a great day. So who you idolize for your bartender? Like who's the most?
To me, as much I know about bartending, I idolize Harry Craddock. Do you heard about this?
It's a great man.
Yeah.
Harry Craddock, the world.
In the time of 1920, he used to rule the British culture or the England.
So what about you? Like, who's
I personally do idolize Dale DeGroff. He is the king of cocktails.
I have just read an article yesterday about him.
Yes.
and talking about the bartenders, like how can we forget the name of Robin Thomas?
Oh my God.
Exactly.
He was
Oh my
the
God.
father
He's
of
a
American
Father.
mixology.
Yes, exactly.
So we should just wish a happy bartenders day today.
So,
yeah?
so let's go to a bar to celebrate that day.
Cheers.
What
and
say?
raise a toast.
Cheers.
Yeah, sure. Cheers.
Hello everyone, my name is Tushar. A very happy World Bartenders Day. So to pay tribute to all the bartenders around the world, today I'll be making a classic margarita. So I'll be using El Camino Blanco Tequila, Cointreau, lime juice and some simple syrup. Drink the glass with salt and lemon zest. Now we'll add all the ingredients in Boston Sec. 45 ml of tequila, 30 ml of Cointreau, 30 ml of lime juice, 15 ml of sugar syrup, and as your preference you can also add agave nectar. Now we'll add ice to our Boston shaker. And shake hard. Now we'll strain our margarita to our margarita glass. Now we'll garnish our margarita with a lemon wedge. So here is a classical margarita. Salute.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishika Mitra and a very happy World Bartending Day. So today I will be making a very famous cocktail known as the Blue Hawaii. Now, this cocktail was invented in the year 1957 where the head bartender, Mr. Henry Ye, decided to create this cocktail at the Hawaiian Hilton Hotel. So yes friends, I will be needing to make this cocktail rum, pineapple juice, sugar syrup, blue curacao, coconut milk and lots of love. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is I'll take my glass and put it to freeze. By the time the glass is chilling, I'll take a shaker and I'll start adding the ingredients. So the first thing I'll add is sugar syrup. We generally start with adding the nominal ingredients first. So we will add 15 ml of sugar syrup. Then I'll add around 60 ml of pineapple juice. Coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, I'll straightway jump to white rum and I'll add 60 ml of white rum. Here we are using Bacardi Blanco. And after that, last but not the least, our blue curacao. So we will add around 15 ml of blue curacao. And then we will add ice. This drink is generally semi-frozen, but a lot of guests, they like to consume it frozen. So let's see. And finally, we need to blend it. My cocktail is ready. Now I will take the ice out. And this drink is basically not straight. So there we go. Whoa, do you see the color? This really reminds me of the Hawaiian Island. I wish I could go there right now, but yes, I cannot. So I can recreate the feeling with a lot of colorful garnishes. So the garnishes I will put, the first garnishes is going to be a pineapple, which is the authentic one. Then I want to add some colors to it. So I will add a orange slice and last but not the least, some red cherries. So there we go, our blue Hawaiian is ready. So we just can put a straw and sip and enjoy the weather. Thank you.